How to use effective marketing strategy on YouTube for local marketing. Well, YouTube is also very useful for local marketing. And in a second, I'll show you how to achieve great success with that. You can see that, for example, here I can show you a couple of videos that I've posted just a short while ago. So this one was posted, so SEO agency Melbourne, one first page Google. You can see that I'm not signed in, so it's anonymous window, and I'm on the first page. So this is the first page on these keywords: SEO agency Melbourne, first page Google, and this was posted 4 hours ago. So this is the way how to do it, and it's not the only one. For example, let's check this one. Here, this one's mine. So that was 11 minutes ago, practically. So SEO agency Sydney Google, and these are one of the most competitive niches. If you'll check SEO agency or SEO, you'll see that let's say London, Melbourne, Sydney, these are the cities that are the most popular, or that have the most demand. So the most competition is also there. So that's the way how to do it. So with videos, you can achieve visibility on the first page of Google within hours or even less. As you can see, in 11 minutes, I was able to get on the first page of Google. So that's how to tackle local marketing. So if it's for a specific niche, it's even easier because the competition is lower. So it's even easier to have good results on that. So yeah, in the comments, I would love to hear from you. If you can have any questions or suggestions or comments, I'll be happy if you post them, and it will be really interesting for me to read. So thank you very much for your attention, and hope to see you again soon.